Hey guys, and welcome back to Order of Operations. Today we are going to evaluate a numerical expression and figure out how to solve. So in your journals, make sure you are starting on a new clean page, and you can write numerical expressions on the top, or you can just say order of operations continued, but we will be evaluating more numerical expressions today with a review of our PEMDAS acronym. And here we go. Okay, how do you evaluate a numerical expression? Numerical expressions are a number sentence without equal signs. They are evaluated or solved using the order of operations. Even though there are no equal signs, it doesn't mean you're not supposed to find the solution. It is just an equation that does not have the equal sign, but we're going to use our PEMDAS acronym to solve. Remember, parentheses or brackets come first, or groups. Exponents, which are the larger numbers to the top right hand corner of a bigger number, and that means simply just to multiply. Then we follow the steps: multiply, divide, add, or subtract. These are the steps you always follow. In your journals, I want you to write this next equation down. If you do not have the PEMDAS memorized, if you don't remember that P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiply, D stands for divide, A stands for add, S stands for subtract. Pause the video here and write down the full acronym and what they mean in your journals. This is something that is super important for order of operations. So pause the video here and make sure you get your PEMDAS acronym written down. Okay, so we're going to use our order of operations to evaluate this next expression. So I want you to write a 5, and look at this. It is a larger 5 with a 2 in the top right-hand corner, then a plus sign, open parentheses 12, divided by 4, close parentheses, minus 8. So this is an example of an expression. It is a number sentence without the equal sign. We are going to use the PEMDAS acronym to solve for the order of operations. So here is our clue. We always start, if there are brackets or parentheses, we always solve inside the parentheses first. So inside the parentheses, we have 12 divided by 4. And that example is down here at the bottom. And 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So write your 3 as the answer for 12 divided by 3, or 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Solve the exponents is next. So we had parentheses, we did it. Exponents, that is next. So 5 and the 2 means we are simply taking 5 and multiplying it by itself. So 5 times 5 is 25. And as you can see down below, the second step, number 2, was to solve the exponents second. So it's 25. Make sure you have that as we go. Then we're going to take our addition and we're going to solve from our left to our right. So I want you to write a 25 plus 3 minus 8. So again, that is 25 plus your 3 minus 8. When you add 25 plus 3, you get 28. And when you subtract 8 from your 28, you are left with 20. So make sure you have that 25 plus 3 minus 8 equals 20. And remember, you work from left to right. So we started with the parentheses, went through the exponents, then we added 25 plus 3, and then you subtract to get your final answer of 20. Make sure you have that written in your notes. There, now you should be able to see it. 25 plus 3 minus 8 equals 20. Here is another one that we are going to look at using the order of operations to evaluate the expressions. And here you have your acronym parentheses exponents. Multiply, divide, add, and subtract. So here we have 5 plus open brackets 9 divided by open parentheses 8 minus 5 close parentheses close bracket. So then we are going to look inside our parentheses first. So first we have 8 minus 5. And if you think 8 minus 5, oh, that's 3. So that would be our first one. And then the next step is your group, which would be 9 divided by the 3. So we took the 8 minus 5 and had a 3. That is what you're dividing 9 by. So you divide 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So we're finished with the parentheses, then our brackets, and now we work from left to right. And so you should have a 5 plus a 3, which is your final step, and 5 plus 3 equals 8 for a final answer. Okay, so now we're going to switch on over to, so right now we are going to switch on over to Tuesday, guided practice, where we are going to be working through 1, 2, and 3 together. I will walk you through the steps. So at this time, we're going to pause the video and switch on over to Tuesday, the guided practice, and you will see this one and 2 others there as we